To examine what it takes to compete in one of the fastest sports on the planet, we enlisted 18-time IndyCar winner, Will Power. IndyCar drivers race at speeds topping 230 miles an hour. To put that in perspective, an IndyCar would beat an Olympic arrow to its target before the arrow even finished 2/3 of its flight. And at that speed, nothing's more important than lightning-fast reaction times. In this reaction time test, Will detected and reacted to 145 random flashing lights in 1 minute. His average complete motion took only 41 hundredths of a second. That's faster than any athlete we've ever put through this test. And elite IndyCar drivers like Will need to maintain these fast reaction times for more than 3 hours at a time. Now, a human body stores about 80,000 calories of fat and 2,000 calories of carbohydrates for energy. When the heart rate increases, the body burns carbs faster than fat. At about 80% of their max heart rate, the average person utilizes less than 10% fat. Will, at 140 beats per minute, burns twice as much fat. That's a fat utilization on par with elite marathoners. After this intense workout, we tested Will's reaction time again, and incredibly, he actually improved. To see how those reaction times translate to the track, we set up a one-of-a-kind experiment. This state-of-the-art professional racing simulator has been calibrated to mimic racing at the Indy 500. Will averages about 42 seconds a lap for a total of 10 laps. And I destroyed my car in a total of 23 seconds. Oh, man. Our eye tracking system reveals that Will's eyes consistently lock onto the same exact spot inside each turn just 2/3 of a second before he lets off the gas. When it comes to consistency, it takes Will's eyes just 1/10 of a second to move from one reference point to another. And incredibly, turn after turn, Will never varies that timing by more than 3/100ths of a second. For ESPN Sports Science, I'm John Brinkus.